today I am going to be doing all my slimes part 2. So let's get straight on to this. So all my slimes are stored in this big thing right here. Oh Jesus. Oh. Okay. This thing right here, because I have a lot. You can't see me anymore, so we're just gonna take one by one. So I'm just trying to show you what this story is. Okay, stop. The first slime I got is this. It's called peach oolite slime. I call it oolite because it's like a liquid, but it's actually slime. That's what's called oolite slime. I really like it. Let me just take off my jacket because it's like hot in here. Whew. Anyways, this is the first slime I'm gonna show you guys. Oopsies. Okay, the next slime is this blue one that I'm selling to Amy on Wednesday because we don't have school tomorrow because of snow. This is, I forgot what this one was called. I think it was called Ocean Slime. I'm not sure, but it's a really good slime. That's why I'm selling it, so I can make more money off of it. Okay, now the third slime is this butter popcorn slime for $3. So if you guys want to buy it off my slime page on Instagram, you guys can. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. It's like a really good slime. And sorry my name has changed. I did that on accident. I was trying to see if I can do something, but I did it on accident. So I have to wait a day to change it because it said I changed it too recently. No, actually it said when I changed it to that new name I got on there, it said that you're changing, because I tried to change it back, but it said you're changing it too recently. So yeah. So the fourth slime is my hands down favorite slime. This is called peach slime. It's for $3 also because it's so good. So as you can see, it has that easy stretch, and then when you poke it, and sorry my voice is a little bit weird today. I actually have a slight fever. And I had to come home early, which is getting checked out early. So, this is a really good slime. I don't know what type of video I'm going to do in the next video. I think I'm going to do a vlog in school. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because my sister did that, and it was like, it looks so fun. So, this is I think it was the fourth slime, I'm not sure. But, I'm going to get the fifth slime now. But this slime is the slime that accidentally spilled in that thing, but it's at the bottom, but it's dried now, so it doesn't matter. But I'm getting a new one anyway. So it's glittery. It has different types of glitter in it. It has blue, pink, and silver. So this is how it looks. It's a pretty big slime. I got the glitter from the Nickelodeon slime kit. It's a really good slime kit, but the key to it is you can't put all that solution in it because it makes it really hard. Because they give you a little bit of glue, but it's okay. Because I have 2 gallons of glue in my room, so it doesn't matter to me. So, yeah. So I started my own business called, I forgot what it was called. I gotta look on my phone, but I know it's called something. I forgot. it was called Panda Slimes. I forgot. Yeah. And my other one, I think that was my recent slime shop. Is called Famous. Oh my God, Famous Slimes. And that was my, like, this wasn't the sound, not sound page. Oh my God, I'm so confused right now. The other slime shop that I just mentioned, Panda Slime, wasn't recently. That was like a month ago because I didn't really like Panda Slime, so I went to Famous Slime because my sound page is called Famous Sounds, so I just wanted to get a name off of my sound page. So you guys go follow that account on TikTok. Actually, it's called Famous, but the O is replaced with a 0, and it has 2 S's in Famous, and it has a dot, well, period, and then Sound, which has is S O with the O has a little slash going through it. Then the rest of that, and there's like 3 S's at the end. So then Famous Sounds. So I'm gonna actually put it right, hold up guys, up here. That's Famous Sounds. I might have to do a part 3 because I really don't have time right now. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, and comment what you thought about this video, and no hate comments. I'm gonna do a part 3 of this probably tomorrow because I don't have enough time. So I'm just gonna get back to you guys. So yeah, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.